some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.
What am I thankful for? Is 1,000 things I could be thankful for, and I have many things to be thankful for, but that would take 1,000 hours of video time for me to tell you every single thing I'm thankful for. So I'm going to just pick one thing in particular I feel lately that I am really thankful about, and that is support, family support. In anything I do, my family is very supportive of me in anything I do. You know, for example, when I decided to start my channel back up again, it was just a good feeling to have everybody's support. Although most of them didn't really understand what a mukbang was or vlog and those different things, it's just the fact that they supported me regardless. You know, when I lock my hair, when I shave my side, when I do the smallest things, they just give me like total support. And that really matters when you have somebody who supports things that you believe in. It makes it easier for you when the days get a little rough, because you know that they're there with support. And I'm gonna just kind of go down the list of who, particularly in my family, that I feel like it. Number one, of course, is my husband. He totally supports me. You know, you guys see all my family in my videos. That is true. You see my children, you see my husband, you see my sister, you see my brother, you see my mother. And the reality of it is, it's true, it's real. They do truly support me. If I call them up and say, hey, guys, I need help with this, or can you come do a video with me, or can you send me a video, it's without thought that they come and help me, which translate in other things in my life, not just YouTube, but just overall general support. You know, even with my mom, she is not a camera person, but I asked her and she wanted to show support. She did it. She told me, I'm going to start going to people's houses and I'm going to set them up on YouTube so they can know how to get on there and like on your videos and watch your videos, because I think some people just don't know how to do it. And it just made me feel so good that she would even say something like that to support something that I'm doing. Not that I'm shocked that she would support me, because she always does. It's just that sometimes you can easily take those type of things for granted because you're so used to people doing it, but they don't have to. They don't have to show you support. You know, there's plenty of other things they could be doing besides supporting you. Even my kids, they come up with ideas with different videos. My husband, all the time, he makes sure I got enough videos for the week. And if I run into a jam and I can't get to a video, he's like, look, I can make you a video. You know, I got an idea. He's always there to support. And so somebody will probably say, well, they should support you. That's your family. Yes, but the reality of it is, guys, everybody don't have that. And sometimes I feel like we take those things for granted. And I just don't want to be the person who does that. So with that being said, what I am thankful for is my family support, because they don't have to do it. So on today, on this beautiful Thanksgiving Day, I'm going to say thank you to my family for always being there and supporting me. I love you guys. And I love you guys also, all my QTs, all my subscribers who show me support and love. That also means a lot. Because like you guys may have not known, I used to have a channel before and I didn't get the support that I'm getting now. So I want to thank you guys also for the support you give. And with that being said, have a great and blessed Thanksgiving. Eat all the turkey you want to eat. And enjoy yourself. Enjoy your family. If you're not with family, then create a family. It's not that hard, guys. So, until next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share this video with everybody that you know. Also, I want to shout out Locheadbosslady for doing this tag for YouTubers to tell what they're thankful for. And I'll have her name somewhere around here, so you can go check out her channel. Locheadbosslady, awesome. And she also does lives that are awesome. So you should go check her page out, guys. Until next time. Bye.
I have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.